In a crisis, there's two ways to respond. You can either do something or do nothing at all. That's it. There's only two options. And while it's tempting to stand to the side, stay idle, and wait for the crisis to blow over, the strongest people are the ones who choose to do something. Right now, starting your own online business should be the only option for a winner like you. Here at Memphix Web Design, we have worked with our partners at geekedwebsites.com to roll out pre-made websites that allow you to upload your logo and product images and start a website for under $1 a day. I design custom-built websites for a living in my craft, and the prices that Geek Websites are offering right now are 10 times cheaper than a custom-built website for me. Here's what you get for $29.99 per month. An e-commerce WordPress website with unlimited storage, unlimited visits per month, one-click backup storage and protection with Restore, automatic daily malware scans, an SEO optimizer, an SSL certificate, one-click site testing, no transaction fees, unlimited products, bookings and appointment scheduling, real-time shipping rates, free and premium WooCommerce storefront design themes, and access to over $1,500 worth of WooCommerce store plugins. If you already don't have a website, ask anybody that has a website how important it is to have all of the things that I talked about above. A beautifully built website that runs super fast and is navigation friendly. So in this current rough patch, why not see an opportunity for growth? Why not choose to act? More and more people are choosing to work from home and practice social distancing. Shouldn't you? Now is the time to take advantage of this low-cost offer. Follow the link to Geek Websites in the section below and start your online business today.